hot summer day and you walk into Publix to see displays of watermelon and BOGO lemonade. Then you go back in the winter, but now it's all display of pumpkin and apple cider. Now, picture you're a monkey in the forests of Tanzania, Africa. Would you expect to see different things on display based on the season? With the FAU Primatology Lab, I studied the diet of a group of monkeys known as the blue monkey on the left-hand side, the red-tailed monkey on the right, and get this, I studied their hybrids too, which is a rarity in nature. You can see them in the middle. They all belong to a group of primates known as the guenons. Guenons are frugivores, indulging in fruits during the wet season and supplementing with leaves typically in the dry season. But something interesting is happening in Gombe National Park, Tanzania. The Gombe guenons that I study are eating a ton of insects. And I don't mean the occasional beetle, I mean snatching termites out of thin air and cracking open wood chutes to expose ant trails. While it's not unheard of for guenons to consume insects, it doesn't tend to be the most abundant item in their diet. At comparative sites in Kenya and Uganda, the blue and red-tailed monkeys maintain a fruit-dominant diet year-round, with insect eating really only sneaking up a little bit in the dry season when rainfall is minimal. But in Gombe, based on all our analysis, insects are the primary dietary item for our study group, making up anywhere from 50 to 56% of their total diet, and fruit only making up 30%. So why are they bugging out? Well, I hypothesize that our study group is eating a more diverse diet overall during the dry season between May and October when fruit might not be as available. Insect consumption rises due to the fruit scarcity, but also because of competition with larger primates. Would you want to go toe-to-toe with a chimpanzee? So they're taking a sort of whatever's on display approach. My thesis will answer the question, is seasonality the driving factor in the increased insect eating? I'll analyze feeding data taken over a 9-year period, and because it's a long-term study, I'll be able to assess patterns that will arise through the 9 years. Like, are the hybrids eating different things than their parental species? Does temperature influence the insect eating? Because if the Gombe guenons are really shifting to higher insect eating, perhaps they're occupying an ecological niche in response to seasonality and climate change. And the Gombe group is extremely unique as they're a stable and thriving population. Studying them gives us the unique opportunity to witness and document evolution in action. And when you study a group of monkeys that are one of a kind, you get information that's one of a kind. And we can utilize that information to better understand tropical forest ecology, understand adaptations in the wake of our ongoing climate change, and for assessing conservation strategies. And I think that's really important because I think we can all agree that we want to keep these cute little grub eaters around for a long time. Thank you.